In this video, I will be showing you how I delete my history on ChatGPT to keep my workspace clean and organized. I'm starting right here on the home page, and as you can see, my sidebar is getting a bit cluttered with old conversations. To handle this, I'll first show you how I clear everything at once for a total fresh start. I'll navigate to the bottom left corner and click on my profile name to open the account menu. From there, I'll select Settings. And once the window pops up, I'll click on Data Controls from the left-hand sidebar. To wipe my entire history, I'll find the Delete All Chats option and click the red Delete All button. A confirmation box will appear to make sure I don't do this by mistake, and I'll click Confirm Deletion to proceed. Now, if I don't want to lose every single conversation and instead want to remove just a few specific ones, I have to handle those a bit differently. I'll close the settings window and go back to my sidebar. For each chat I want to remove, I'll hover over the title until the three-dot menu icon appears. I'll click that icon, select Delete from the drop-down, and then click Delete one last time to confirm. I'll repeat this quick process for every individual thread I want to clear out. It only takes a second for each one, and it's a great way for me to prune my list while keeping my most important projects intact. Whether I'm doing a full reset or just a quick cleanup, managing my history this way ensures I can always find my active work without scrolling through a graveyard of old prompts. If you found this walkthrough helpful for managing your own AI history, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.